stuff that Jim is going to be building. And this is our Starlink satellite internet, so that has been a blessing. We need to do something about this cord, which Jim has a cord hiding thing that we're going to paint the same color so you won't see that. One of our huge windows, which was also a really big deal for me, I wanted lots of windows, lots of natural light. This looks out where the thunderstorms roll in. Across this area is our garden, which we're developing up the hill. And across this hill, there's a gravel road, which you can kind of see between here. That is all farmland. So the farmer that owns that is wonderful. We love him. He is the best. He is just amazing. He's taught us so much about the area. So we like the big windowsills. Our house is made out of ICF construction, which is, what does the I stand for? Insulated concrete forms. So most of it is cement.